Okay, jammers, so today's must visit destination is Adom Waterfalls, and it's just looking very green right now. So it's straight up by Aburi, A-B-U-R-I, and that is another location that we'll be exploring in detail. Lots of little lovely areas that you can chill out at. So see you soon. Okay, jammers, so we've arrived. Just a quick one, I won't say his name. My lovely Bolt driver, who just by chance, again, always by the grace of God, things comes together, and he's actually going to spend the morning with us. And this is, what's your name?
Michael.
And Michael is our tour guide. How long does it take to walk down?
8 minutes.
Oh, so this is even better. So we've actually driven all the way down. You just follow the signs. Once you come to Aburi, you'll see the sign saying Adom Waterfall. Drive all the way down and you will find a guide. So here we go. Let's get cracking. Let's walk down 8 minutes approximately and get down to the falls. Okay, so this is what the path is looking like. Really nice and cool as well. God, absolutely beautiful. So scenic. Look at that, guys. Come home to Ghana. You can literally wake up on a Sunday morning and find little locations like this. Took us about an hour from East Legon to get here, and we left about just after 10 o'clock. Not much traffic, roads are clear. Most people were at church. And Jones is the only one that actually wanted to come today. And for the walk, I suggested to Jones that he wears his AstroTurf trainers, obviously anticipating that the roads would be, or the path would be quite like this. So if you've got hiking boots, I would recommend those. I've actually worn my trainers, but I just made sure that they had enough of a grip on them. And this is looking like an absolute sensation. How beautiful. Here you go, guys. Still trekking. And yeah, I'm videoing, so I can't go as fast as they are going because it's a very rocky, and I'm multitasking right now. But guys, I mean, come on. What more do you want? Free in every possible... Oh, there you go. Someone's decided they better stop and wait for me. And I shan't tell them they shouldn't, because I've done that in the past and people have disappeared. Go on, son, mummy's okay. So pretty. Guys, look, just so you can't see that I'm making excuses, I've literally just got to be looking down and speaking whilst I've just got the phone up, because I know the phone will catch the beauty automatically, because it's just literally all around. On a Sunday the 14th of January 2023, and I just continue to be grateful for moments like this. Was actually supposed to be doing this trek with a friend. Unfortunately, she's not feeling very well, so she has agreed that we can do another fall next week. And I thought, I've still got to get out. And by the grace of God, Samuel came. He was actually the second driver, and I've negotiated with him. Yeah, obviously I'll compensate him for his time. He's also, I'm sure, he's never been here either. So he's going to be having a lovely morning as well. down at the falls. And there are so many beautiful locations that you can get to in Ghana. But as I've said, guys, you've just literally pray, be positive, have a clean heart, listen to your gut. My nanny used to always say, follow your gut. And if you listen to your mind, you can't go wrong. And for 2023, every move I make, if my gut doesn't agree with it, and if my mind doesn't say I should do it, I'm just literally not going to be doing it. Easy life. And it looks as though you would, I think, yeah, it looks as though there's always a guide hanging around. He's obviously going to, I actually find it quite impressive because Jones, you should actually be talking to this boy. How old are you, Michael? 14. Okay, Jones is 10. And this is the type of thing that I say to them, is that there's Michael on a Sunday morning, 14 years old. He was obviously even just waiting for us. And if someone doesn't come, he's obviously not going to, he's basically trying to make some money for him and his, which will stand him in good stead in the future. Hard working. Could be at home with his hands on his chin, but he's out. Oh my God, it's got so much cooler and it's lovely. Some people be thinking, oh my God, I'm scared. Fear breeds fear, and I'd much rather faith. And that's me, because my life is in the Lord's hands. Okay, guys, let me focus now and see you in a bit. You kind of get the drift as to what's happening here. So cool. I can literally even hear the waterfall. And, oh, here we go. Look, something's happening. There are actually two falls as far as I'm aware. There's a lower and an upper. And of course, I'm going to take you to both of those. So let's see what's happening here. Let's check them out first, guys. See that they want to be vigilant. Okay, guys, so we've just got to the entry. Obviously, prices do fluctuate. Pay points, clearly. And it is 20 cedis for adults to enter, 10 cedis for children. And this is at January the 14th of January. Prices may change. Okay, and that's for the entry to the lower and the upper. Perfect. Okay, so guys, this is it. And again, very scenic. I'll be coming back here again. See, there you go. I've told Jones he needs to be speaking. And straight away they're talking about football. That always, unifies everyone. Once upon a time, I'd be literally running away. Where is that lizard? There it is. But I've got a little bit better, which I'm very impressed about, because I'd literally be nowhere near that. Okay, very beautiful. We'll be coming back again with Mia, because I can see that there are lots of areas to take some beautiful photos. And when you enter, to your left is the lower fall and to the right is the upper. So we're going to check the lower out first. Here we go, beautiful Sunday morning. Do come back and check out Jam Fam to the Motherland, as this is going to be uploaded as to where exactly we are. And this is looking beautiful. Jones is the only one that actually wanted to come this morning, so it's just Jones and I. And this is looking so good. Okay, so it was literally 2 minutes walk and we've got to this lovely area. I could quite easily sit there and bathe. Now I know what this entails. I'm definitely going to be coming. Careful, Jones, it can be slippery. Okay, guys, well, this is beautiful. Oh, this makes me so happy. I mean, what more do you want? Son, I think this is enough, yeah? Michael's used to it. Or go where you feel comfortable. This is Ghana, hidden gems, and I've got so many plans in mind, guys. So, you know, we've only been here for 6 months. Keep jamming, and more importantly, if there are any jammers that are coming to Ghana, I'm one of these people that definitely likes to connect, you know. So if you're going to be in the Accra area, I'd be more than happy to meet up. So please take that as an open invitation to reach out, and I'd be more than happy to meet up with you. Energy never lies, so I'll know whether or not you're actually people that I'd like to connect with further upon meeting. And yeah, there seems to be like a walkway canopy thing, of which you wouldn't be getting me anywhere near that. Happy Sunday, happy whatever. Oh, son, I told you, those bits are slippery. And he's used to it, so you've got to be firm. Okay, so we're just making our way back down now. We've had a gorgeous time here in this upper section. Guys, you must come to this location. And in particular, if you can ask for Michael, that would be even better. Great young man, really helpful and respectful. And yeah, there Jones is down. I've chucked my trainers down. And yeah, we're just going to go and check out the other section, but definitely going to be coming back. Would love to stay longer, but Samuel, he obviously wasn't anticipating doing this morning, and I definitely want to make sure he can get off and earn more money doing his job. Of course, I'm going to compensate him. So yeah, this is lovely. Definitely need, oh, and I will be getting on the road, guys. Definitely need to get my driver's license sorted out, so then I can enjoy days such as these at our leisure. And you've got to be careful, guys, because look, there you go, Mr. Frog. I mean, no, leave him, Michael. Don't kill him. He's not doing anything. Michael's getting ready to give him a throw. Leave him, Michael. No, he's fine. Oh, I've got to say, I'm feeling very empowered. Once upon a time, I'd be running, screaming. Michael, leave him though, because you're going to let him jump on me, and that's what I don't want. Okay, back up we go. So, lower fall done. I must say, literally, I just want to come again and just meditate. Okay, just some lovely bamboo just chopped there. That's quite nice. What do you say, son? Very nice. Oh, guys. This, I know, very unfortunate. This is just good for the soul.
When I get back, I'm going to tell Eva there's only an hour's journey there, and then there's a 2-3 minute walk. Then you see this lovely waterfall, and there's 2 parts to it. Let's go into the second part to it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're just getting to the entry point here, and I've got to say, for me, the other location is better because it's less congested. These are quite steep though, I will say. Oh, less congestion. People are obviously coming down here with their picnics and all sorts. Oh gosh. Here we go. Oh, that's very smoky.
Welcome.
Thank you. Welcome. Imagine. Oh, I guess a welcome is a welcome. Oh, here we go. Oh. Yeah, for me, I've got to say I prefer the other location. Quite treacherous, this bit. It all depends on what you're after and what you're looking for. You've got your ropes here, of which I'm pulling on. Whoop. To get up. Michael at the ready there to catch me. Yeah. Very pretty. Josie, do you want to go down there to swim? I think you can. You can? Have a You don't fancy it? Oh, not yet. Oh, okay, cool. Well, I'm definitely just going to be chilling up here. I'm not looking to get in there. But this is it, guys. This is the upper. Oh, my God. Michael, what are you doing? Okay. Yeah, for me it's the other area. Hey! Oi! Someone's shirt is on fire. Hey! Hey! Oh, you come on, copyright my video. Hey? You see? Look at that. Free as a bird. That's the quickest way to get him to come out. Go on, James. Show him what you're made of. Show him what you're made of, son. Show him what you're made of. I'm definitely going to be going down there, and I can't leave this place without getting a massage on that floor. But yeah, I'm definitely going down there. Those ladies have invited me down. I'd love to get to a point to be as confident as Michael, literally just climbing anywhere, because there's no way I'd be up there. I would love to get up there. I would love it. I need it. But I can do anything I put my mind to, but I'm more worried about slipping and not being able to get out. Okay, jammers, so this is the end. I think I just literally want to focus on getting back down. You've seen the way we came down. It's the same way up. Definitely a must visit. Adom Waterfall, guys. A must visit. Bring all of your chillaxing gear. You know, if you've got your stereo, if you've got your mats, mini barbecue, well, you'll know what to bring. But it's absolutely sensational. And I got a really lovely massage in this section. But I think in future I would come to the higher fall first for my preference, and then go to the lower deck and get a really lovely massage here. Okay guys, so see you in the next video of best places to visit in Accra, Ghana. And the longer we're here, the further we'll get. throughout this gorgeous country.